MCP servers are changing AI forever, but most people have no idea why right now AI agents can't seamlessly interact with different platforms. Every connection to Slack, Gmail, or a database requires manual coding. APIs have different rules and restrictions, forcing developers to rewrite integrations for every tool, every update, every platform. But what if AI could connect to everything instantly? What if one system could eliminate redundant coding and streamline AI development forever? That's exactly what MCP servers do. In this video, we'll break down how they work, why major tech companies are adopting them, and how they're redefining AI integration. Stick around, because this could be the biggest shift in AI development yet. What are MCP servers? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and it's a standardized system that lets AI agents connect to different APIs without needing custom integration every single time. Think of it like a universal adapter for AI communication. Instead of every AI agent needing handwritten rules for interacting with each API, MCP servers handle the entire interaction in a structured, reusable way. Instead of a developer writing separate code for Slack, Gmail, and databases, the AI agent simply connects to an MCP server, which already knows how to handle those APIs. It's a huge leap forward for AI development because it eliminates redundant work, speeds up AI deployment, and ensures smoother cross-platform integration. The concept isn't just theoretical. Companies are already implementing IT. Tech leaders like Anthropic and Compost have created MCP directories with over 250 ready-to-use servers, allowing AI tools to integrate seamlessly with existing platforms. And this is just the beginning. How MCP servers work at its core. An MCP server acts as a middle layer between an AI agent and external services. Instead of the AI directly communicating with an API, it interacts with the MCP server, which then connects to APIs like Slack, Gmail, or a custom tool. This simplifies integration, allowing AI agents to interact with multiple services without requiring custom-built connectors for each one. An MCP system consists of three key components. The host is where the AI agent runs. This could be an IDE like Cursor, a chatbot, or any AI-powered software. The client acts as a bridge between the AI agent and the MCP server. Finally, the server is the actual MCP system that connects with external APIs, ensuring AI agents can access only the allowed functionalities of each service. What makes MCP servers revolutionary is their ability to streamline AI connectivity in a scalable and secure way with plug-and-play functionality. Once an API is integrated with an MCP server, any AI agent can instantly use it without additional setup. Developers also gain more control over access permissions, ensuring AI agents can only perform specific actions such as drafting emails but not deleting them. Additionally, standardized communication removes the need for AI agents to manually interpret complex API documentation, making development faster and more efficient. For example, imagine a company developing an AI-powered customer report agent that needs to handle emails and Slack messages. Without MCP, each API interaction, like sending a Slack message or retrieving an email, would have to be programmed separately, requiring custom code for each platform. But with an MCP server, the agent simply connects to the server, which already knows how to interact with Slack and Gmail, making deployment almost instant. And the best part, if another company wants to use the same AI agent in a different environment, there's no need to rewrite integrations from scratch. They simply connect to the same MCP server, allowing the AI agent to function across different platforms without any extra work. Why MCP servers are a game changer. So why does this matter? Because it fixes one of AI's biggest problems, the lack of interoperability. Right now, AI agents function like walled gardens. They can't easily share integrations or work across different platforms without developers manually coding new connections. Each time an AI agent needs to interact with a new service, developers have to rebuild the same integrations from scratch, wasting time and resources. With MCP servers, this problem disappears. Companies no longer need to constantly reprogram API connections every time they want an AI agent to function in a different environment. Instead, MCP servers provide a universal communication layer, ensuring that once an API is integrated, any AI agent can use it without extra development work. The impact of MCP on AI development is huge. It eliminates repetitive work by allowing developers to create integrations once and reuse them across multiple AI agents. This leads to faster AI deployment instead of waiting weeks or months to set up new integrations. AI tools can be up and running in hours by leveraging existing MCP servers. It also enables cross-platform compatibility, making AI tools work seamlessly across IDs like Cursor, business applications, or cloud platforms. Beyond convenience, MCP servers also enhance security and control. Companies can precisely define what AI agents are allowed to do within an API, ensuring they don't have unintended access to sensitive operations, such as modifying or deleting critical data, and major companies are already taking notice. Slack, Gmail, and other enterprise platforms are rolling out mCP servers to streamline AI integrations, making it easier than ever for developers to connect AI agents to their services. The only real question now is how fast will this become the new standard? The real-world impact of mCP servers. Tech giants are already adopting mCP servers to standardize AI connectivity instead of relying on custom-built integrations. Companies like Anthropic and Compost are offering pre-built mCP directories, providing hundreds of ready-to-use servers across business automation, cloud computing, and AI development. This shift is creating an ecosystem where AI can instantly connect to multiple platforms without additional configuration. One of the most promising applications is machine learning and AI model testing. Traditionally, developers have to manually adjust variables, run multiple test cases, and analyze results. A slow and inefficient process, especially with large datasets. mCP servers automate testing workflows, allowing AI agents to modify parameters, retrieve results, and optimize models without requiring new scripts for every change. For example, a developer testing a penguin classification model would normally have to input sample data, adjust key variables like body weight, and track performance manually with an mCP server. These steps are automated, enabling real-time experimentation and eliminating the need for repetitive coding by bridging AI agents with machine learning models. mCP servers streamline testing, improve scalability, and accelerate development. The result: smarter, faster, and fully automated AI workflows, making AI systems more efficient and adaptable than ever before. The future of mCP servers aren't just a convenience, they could become the backbone of AI development, just as REST API standardized web services. mCP servers could become the default protocol for AI agent integration, simplifying how AI connects across platforms. The key advantage: scalability. Today, AI systems require custom integrations for every platform, and API slowing deployment and increasing costs. mCP servers standardize this process, enabling plug-and-play AI connections. Once a service is linked to an mCP server, it can be used seamlessly across multiple applications without additional configuration. Beyond AI agents, mCP servers could reshape IoT, cloud computing, and enterprise automation. AI-powered devices could use them to sync with cloud services in real time, eliminating manual configurations in business automation. mCP servers could enable AI-driven workflows without the need for dedicated development teams. As more companies expose APIs through mCP, AI systems will become more interoperable and scalable, allowing developers to build and deploy solutions faster than ever before. The future AI tools won't need custom integrations at all. They'll simply connect to mCP servers, unlocking new capabilities instantly. mCP servers will change AI forever. mCP servers are fundamentally changing how AI integrates with technology by creating a standardized framework. They remove the inefficiencies of fragmented API connections, allowing AI to interact with multiple systems effortlessly. This shift is already gaining momentum, with companies embedding mCP protocols into their infrastructures to future-proof AI development. One of the most significant advantages of mCP servers is their ability to enhance security and governance. Traditional API integrations require developers to manually restrict access to sensitive operations. Creating security risks. With mCP, permissions are built into the framework, ensuring that AI agents can only perform pre-approved tasks. This is crucial for enterprise applications, where integrity and controlled access are essential. mCP servers also unlock new possibilities for AI-driven automation in industries like finance, healthcare, and logistics. AI must process large volumes of data across disparate systems. mCP allows AI to seamlessly pull insights from multiple sources, enabling real-time decision-making without the need for custom-built data pipelines. This makes AI applications more scalable and adaptive, ready to evolve as businesses grow. The adoption of mCP servers is accelerating. As more companies integrate this technology, the AI ecosystem will become more connected, efficient, and secure. Whether you're a developer building AI applications or a business investing in automation, mCP servers are reshaping the future of AI integration. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below for more interesting topics. Make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.